Let's get practical. Here are 3 powerful breathing techniques to help you take control of your emotions. Number 1, box breathing techniques, where you take a breath in for 4 seconds, hold for 4, and out for 4, then repeat. This method is used by our most elite police and military units to stay calm under pressure. It's perfect when you feel overwhelmed or need to reset your focus. I find it the easiest to remember when you're overwhelmed and unable to think clearly, when that amazing reptilian brain of yours has taken over. Number 2, the in for 4, hold for 7, and out for 8 seconds technique for deep relaxation. This technique lowers anxiety fast by increasing oxygen flow and slowing your heart rate. Great for calming down before bed or during stressful moments. Lastly, number 3, belly breathing, or diaphragmatic breathing. This one is my pup's favourite, since she loves watching her belly get bigger and then shrink away. Ever notice how babies breathe with their bellies? That's because deep belly breaths are the most natural and effective way to bring in oxygen and relax your body. No matter which of these you choose to do in the moment, the main thing is to practice them regularly. Make them a habit. Make them permanent. So when your thinking brain goes offline, your breathing starts up naturally. Practicing them daily will build new neural pathways in your brain, making them automatic, which is just what you need during a crisis or stressful event. Remember, these techniques only work if you use them. Here's how I built them into my daily routine, and you can too. Start the day with 5 minutes of deep breathing. Use box breathing before a stressful meeting or a situation. Then practice the 4-7-8 breathing before bed to improve sleep. And while I'm on the subject of daily routines, look out for our next video, which will focus on why the brain loves structure and how you can use time management to help achieve better mental health. Your breath is your superpower. It's the remote control for your emotions. You just have to learn how to use it. All right, that's it from me, Grace Shepherd. Retired from chasing bad guys, now chasing peace and purpose instead.